is Yusuf Hassan. Today we are going to teach you how to make a spaceship. Okay, well, the spaceship will look similar to a jet. It will look very similar to a jet. Well, so don't forget to subscribe to this video. I'm Yusuf Hassan. So you are going to see how the blocks what we are going to include. First, you need 7 white these blocks. Okay. Well, let me show you which block I'm talking about. 7 of these blocks. 7 of these blocks.
Huh?
Okay. And then you need again 7 of these blocks. Oh, 7 of these blocks. Okay.
Show it again, Yusuf. Which blocks? Show it on the camera to your friends.
Okay. So you need 7 of these blocks.
Okay, white blocks.
7 of white blocks.
Okay.
And another 7 of white blocks. Another one looking like this.
Okay.
Okay. Then you need 3 thin blocks. Thin blocks. Look, see how thin blocks look like.
Okay.
You need 3 of it.
Okay.
Okay. And then you need circle blocks like this. These are circle blocks.
Okay. Now, time is getting over. We will end of the video now. It's a practice session. So now you say whatever message you want to give to your friends.
So, well, times are running out. Running out. So we got this circle block.
Yusuf, we will continue it on the next weekend. Abhi hang up karte hain. We'll catch you the next weekend on part 2.
We'll catch in part 2. Well, part 2 we will make.
Yes. Now say goodbye to them.
Goodbye.
अच्छे से बोला, ऐसे बोलते हैं.
But that's not all the blocks.
No, that's not all the blocks. We're just doing a practice. We're not doing the actual one.
Look, see how much blocks.
Yusuf, don't move from there. You're getting recorded. Acha, Yusuf.
See the blocks.
Yusuf, say goodbye to your friends.
So goodbye.
ऐसे बोलते हैं.
Goodbye.
ऐसे बोला जाता है goodbye.
Good.
YouTube पे कैसे देखा तुमने बोलते हुए goodbye?
Bye.
I'm Yusuf Hassan. I'm signing out. See you next Sunday.
I'm Yusuf Hassan. I'm signing out. Bye.